Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to download nvidia experience, which is what I use to record my gameplay. So first we'll start off with you going to the website, which is right here. You click download now, get it. Once it installs, you open it up. And then to set it up, you open it after you install it. Then you open it up, and then from there, with settings, you click open, and then you go into here. And then you can go into recording, change where it downloads it to. HUD layout, you can change all that. Keyboard shortcuts, this is how you activate everything that's on the software. You can change how you want it to work. File location, broadcast live, you can set the quality, you can stream it live apparently. I don't really use it, so I'm not 100% sure how this part works. Highlights, this is what I usually use. You can set it to where you want it to capture, maximum disk space. Photo mode. Audio, you can set up to work with 2 different audio sources and whatnot. Video capture, here's what I use. Now, you can adjust it based off wherever you're gaming at, and I think it can upscale. I'm not 100% sure on that. I just have it set to this. Granted, I don't think it actually films at this resolution. I think it films at my game resolution. I usually use 20 megabytes per or bit rate because that's decent quality and it doesn't take up a lot of file space. I could go higher, but the bigger you go, the more space it's going to use. And then from there, you would enable it. Once you're all done, you turn it on. And then once it's on, you can open up any of your game. And then whatever hotkey you have when you're gaming, you can just hit that button and it will record the last minute or 2 of your gameplay. You can change the duration for how long you want it to be, which you can do that here. Instant replay length, I set it to 1 minute. You can go all the way up to 20-minute long. Or you can manually turn it on and manually turn it off. So if you want to use this as your video capture, you can, and it will record the entire game session. That's it for today's tutorial. Player signing out.
Hey, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. If you like the content on this channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, leave a comment on what I can do to improve. Okay, bye.